Yeah, so stop building static chatbots. Okay, so everyone can make a chatbot right now, right? That can answer a simple questions, but real world enterprise AI is shifting towards those autonomous agents. Okay, so there's a systems that don't just talk. Okay, they observe, they plan, and they execute tasks across your stack. So today I'm going to show you the architectural loop behind those agentic workflows. Okay, so yeah, so stick to the video till the end. So if you want to build agents that actually do work for you, this is the blueprint that you have to follow, right? Or what I'm going to explain to you in the video. So in a standard RAG or chatbot setup, your agent is a passive respondent, right? So you ask and it answers, very simple. And it has no long-term goal. But in production, you need agents that can handle those multi-step problems. For example, like researching a market, then summarizing a PDF, or even emailing a report. And if your AI isn't autonomous, it's just a fancy calculator, right? It's of no use. So to move to those autonomous agents, you need a state machine or loop, and we use the observe, plan, act pattern in this scenario. So the agent receives a user goal, and then what it does, it plans. So it decomposes the goal into those small subtasks. For example, we use here tools like LangGraph or AutoGen for this. And then the next one is to act. So obviously it executes this task using those tools, for example API calls or SQL queries or even a web search. And the next one I have on my list is to evaluate something. So let's say critically, if you think critically, it checks if the result is correct, right? So if not, let's say this is not the case, then it just self-corrects. Okay, so this is one thing yeah, I wanted to explain. And then now yeah, so this is where the enterprise element comes in. You are not just chaining those prompts, right? You are building a state-based graph, and each node in the graph is an agentic setup. And in this agentic setup, there are some agentic steps that you have to think about. And if one step fails, the state allows you to retry or even route to a human in the loop, for example, for oversight. And I'm implementing this using LangGraph, which is the gold standard right now, because it gives you the fine-grained control over the flow. Okay, so this was a very important one to take a note about it. Yeah, and autonomous agents are the highest value skill in the AI market, right? For even in this year to 2026. So, but an agent that can act is dangerous if it forgets what it's doing, right? It's very important. Even for human, it works the same. And in the next episode, we are going to cover those memory and persistence and missing link that allows your agents to remember user preference across those sessions. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.